Monica.
All right, thanks a lot, Jace. And if you're going to Hawaii, chances are you do want to get in shape, right? Here with more on how to do that is Dr. Kathleen Nash and her client, George Trombley from Pacific Total Weight Loss. Guys, thank you so much for being here. How you doing?
I'm good, Monica. Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. George, I'm going to get to you in a second because you are a very successful success story. But, Doc, I want to start with you.
Sure.
Okay, tell us about Pacific Total Weight Loss.
Well, it actually started because it's a passion of mine. I was fat since I was 8 years old. So I was somebody that was heavy their entire life, and I tried anything and everything to get it off.
Yeah.
And the problem is everything that I did worked until I stopped doing it.
Yeah.
Right? And then the weight, right?
Yeah.
And then the weight would just come back. And in 2009, I decided that I needed to research what was going on and why we were all getting so big.
Okay.
And when I applied those 5 metabolic factors that I discovered to myself, I lost over 80 pounds.
Whoa!
Yeah, and that was 6 years ago.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get right down. Ladies, I know what you're saying. Guys, too. Let's just throw the metabolic factors up on the screen, Doc.
Yeah.
I want you to go through these.
Yeah,
Tell us about
the
this.
total part of my weight loss program, that's the metabolic factors. So the first one is toxicity. So if you have toxicity being stored in your fat cells or in your liver, then your body's going to have a really hard time burning fat or letting the fat go.
Okay, all right.
Second problem is that in our country, we're overfed, but we're undernourished. So we get a lot of calories every day, but not enough nutrition.
Okay.
Third one is key. That's training the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is your lower brain. It's responsible for deciding what your weight is.
Okay.
So if you don't retrain it, it's always going to try to pull you back to where you are right now.
Makes sense.
Right?
Okay, all right.
Acidity, that's the A. That's because of the types of foods that we eat in our country.
We hear a lot about acidity lately.
Yeah, I've seen it in your green room.
Yeah.
So a lot of things about acidity. So we clear out the acidity. And then the L is for lower imbalanced hormones. So up to 8 different hormones that can be stopping you from getting to your goals and keeping it off.
Now, you know what? I've talked to a whole bunch of doctors and a whole bunch of weight specialists, and that I've never heard this part here.
No.
So I love that you're talking about this. Okay, let's talk to George here. George, first of all, you are a success story, so congratulations. Yes. Tell us how this helped you. Tell us why you got started, how you got started.
Well, I met Dr. Nash in a Korean meetup. We're learning Korean together. And I started talking with her, and then I realized I was fat. I didn't even realize I was fat.
Yeah.
You know, I was about 200 pounds.
Well, oh, my.
Yeah, I was about 200 pounds.
Before picture, folks.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's us in Korea.
Oh, my goodness, George.
So, you know, I started talking to her, and she was explaining how the metabolics work.
Yeah.
I started her program because I was convinced, and I lost the weight. It's been about a year. I've kept it off, and it's changed my life. I'm really happy for the program.
Congratulations to you. That's major weight loss.
It really is. And I didn't, again, my friends that I see even after many months that haven't seen me, I have gotten used to this weight, so I've forgotten that I've lost the weight, and they remind me, wow, you've really lost a lot of weight.
You know what? Okay, let's be honest. Folks at home watching this are saying, okay, another weight loss program, another doctor touting this, another success story. How is this going to help me? Why should I even think about trying it?
Right. The reason you would want to think about trying my system over, say, something you've tried before is because ours is metabolic in nature.
Okay.
I go after those 5 metabolic factors and correct them. If all you've been doing up until this point is a calories in, calories out kind of a program, and even the big surgeries are just radical versions of calories in, calories out.
Okay.
Chances are you've experienced weight loss while you were on it, and you gained the weight shortly thereafter. Only 1 person in 20 can keep the weight off in our country for 2 years.
Wow.
And only 1 in 50 in 5, and I've kept it off in 6, and I duplicate that with my clients.
Well, y'all look good. I'm going to tell you. You look really good. Congratulations. For more information, folks, there is the information. The number is 702-509-9558, or you can go to drnash.com. And, hey, check it out. And we want to hear more success stories, so you got to come back and tell us.
And real quick, that we are offering a special for the people who watch us on the More Show this morning.
Nice, okay.
Yeah. Normally, the evaluation to talk to me would be $50, but if you call my office, let them know that you saw me on the More Show, we'll do it for you for $19.
And the doctor looks hot in person, I'm just saying. He really does. Okay.
Thank you.
And George, again, congratulations to you. All right, I'm going to talk to you during commercial break. Jason, over to you.
George, do you still have the powder blue tuxedo?